What is fall protection? Ask 10 different people what fall protection means and you're likely to get 10 different answers. For many in the construction industry, equipment that comes to mind are things like guardrails, personal fall protection systems like fall arrest, or perhaps safety nets. But fall protection is more than equipment. Fall protection is anything you do to eliminate and prevent falls or make sure that workers who do fall are not injured. Fall protection is not just a system. It's how you look at a job or task. Beyond that, you could even say it's a commitment. There were companies using fall protection in the form of safety nets at work sites before OSHA was established. Why would they do that? The reason is because human life was valuable to them. Coming home to their families at the end of each day meant something to them, and it should to you too. Whether you are an employer or an employee, we all play a part in workplace safety. At a basic level, here's what a fall protection system is comprised of. Identifying and evaluating fall hazards. Eliminating fall hazards before considering other options like fall arrest. Implementing appropriate systems for each situation. Inspecting and maintaining those systems. Training workers appropriately, and of course, understanding OSHA's fall protection rules. We'll go into more detail about what these components mean to you over the next few modules.